Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Wix. This is an essential step if you want your website to have a professional custom web address that reflects your brand. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right into it. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From here, click on Website. This will take you to the section where all your site management happens. From this page, you can see all the websites you have on your Wix account. Take a moment to look through the list and find the website you wish to connect to your GoDaddy domain. This is important because if you have multiple sites, you want to make sure you're linking the correct one to your custom domain. Once you've located the right site, you're ready to move forward. On this page, locate the Connect a Domain link. This is the gateway to linking your custom domain with your Wix site. Click on it to proceed to the next step where you'll actually enter your domain details. You will now be directed to the Connect a Domain page. Here you'll see a website field where you need to enter the domain you wish to use for your website. Type in your full domain name, for example, yourwebsite.com, and once entered, click on Let's Go. This initiates the domain connection process and tells Wix which domain you want to link. Once you enter your domain name, you'll see a message that says your website name here is taken. Is it yours? This is Wix's way of confirming that you actually own the domain you're trying to connect. Go ahead and click on Yes, I own this domain. This step is crucial because it ensures no one else can hijack your domain connection. You will now be directed to the domain verification screen. This is where you simply need to prove the ownership of the domain you've entered by logging in to your GoDaddy account. Wix needs this verification to confirm that you have access to the domain settings on GoDaddy. Once you log in and verify, Wix will automatically set up the necessary DNS records to link your domain to your site, and that's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now connected to your Wix website, giving you a polished and professional online presence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.